Hi and good morning everyone. My name is Hong Hui Sing with registration number 09DMB19F1032 and today I will present about graph and charts. The topic that I chose is cyberbullying. So now let me introduce simply about cyberbullying. What is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is bullying with the use of digital technologies. It can take place on social media, messaging platforms, gaming platforms, and mobile phones. It is repeated behavior aimed at scaring, angering, or shaming those who are targeted. Examples include spreading lies about or posting embarrassing photos of someone on social media, sending hurtful messages or threats via messaging platforms, impersonating someone and sending mean messages to others on their behalf. Face-to-face bullying and cyberbullying can often happen alongside each other, but cyberbullying leaves a digital footprint, a record that can prove useful and provide evidence to help stop the abuse. So, who are the victims? Those who are seen as different, for example, wear glasses, overweight, underweight, different clothing, unable to afford items that are cool. The second one is those who are seen as weak, unable to defend themselves, and who have low self-esteem, and who have few friends or are unpopular, and the last is who are seen as annoying or seeking attention from others. Here are the pie chart that showing main reason people get cyberbullied. For the first, appearance, that is 61%, that is near to 66.66%. Those we can see the people who get bullied because of their appearance are close to two-thirds in this pie chart. Next, there are 25% and we can see a quarter of victims get bullied because of their academic achievement. Next is about race. There are 17%, almost a fifth of people get bullied because of their race. Next is for financial status and sexuality. They each took 50% in the pie chart. That means it is close to a fifth of people get bullied because the financial status and sexuality. The next one is more than a tenth of people get cyberbullied because their religion, that is 11%. Lastly, there are a fifth of people get cyberbullied because of other reason, that took 20%. Now, let's move on to this slide. So, what are the effects of cyberbullying? When the bullying happens online, it can feel as if you are being attacked everywhere, even inside your own home. It can seem like there's no escape. The effect can last a long time and affect a person in many ways. For the first is mentally. You are feeling upset, embarrassed, stupid, even angry. For the second is emotionally. You are feeling ashamed or losing interest in the things you love. For the third is physically. You are feel so tired, like loss of sleep, or experiencing symptoms like stomachache and headache. The feeling of being laughed at or harassed by others can prevent people from speaking up or trying to deal with the problem. In extreme cases, cyberbullying can even lead to people taking their own life. This slide is showing about effect of cyberbullying. As we can see, developed social anxiety is the highest result in this graph. They are to 41%. For the second is the 37% in developed depression and the 26% in delete their social media profile and had suicidal thoughts, and there are 25% in engage in self-harm. There are 24% in stop using social media altogether, and 20% in started skipping class, and 14% in develop an eating disorder, and lastly is 9% in began abusing alcohol and or drugs. Okay, so how to stop cyberbullying? For the first is don't respond or retaliate. For the second is save the evidence. The third is tell the person to stop. The fourth is reach out for help and use available tech tools. And the last is protect your accounts. For the next slide is conclusion. Cyberbullying is a problem that is difficult to solve. Cyberbullying affects anybody, but it is especially prevalent among today's youth. If we can curtail this heinous behavior while kids are still young, they are less likely to continue down the road. Regrettably, this is not a simple procedure. This will necessitate schools, particularly parents, becoming aware of the issue and taking action. Cyberbullying will require a concerted effort and will not be eradicated overnight. If the government accepts that cyberbullying is an issue, legislation can be enacted to assist deter this behavior. Now, I would like to end this presentation and thank you very much for paying attention on my presentation. That's all from me. Thank you.